tripped, alarms went red, SSD screamed its final thread, router hissed, switch went dark, backup drive, yeah, that caught a spark. No reboot, no restore, this surge don't knock, it kicks down the door. System integrity compromised. Boot device not found. Hope deleted.